So here Hallows and Lenard observation you see here. So two scientists they observed about photoelectric effect. Okay. Now first you check here Lenard observation. Lenard's observation. So Lenard observed when UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation allowed to fall on the emitter plate of an evacuated glass tube enclosing two electrodes, current flows in the circuit. Current flows in the circuit. Suppose you take one evacuated glass tube like this, and here the circuit is connected here. This is your emitter plate. You can give as cathode, it is anode. Now when light is allowed to fall, then what will happen? Current will be flowing in the circuit. Okay. Suppose I will connect like this also. Just normally let me connect. One ammeter let me keep here. Now this ammeter will show the current. Okay. Now this is what he is telling. And here when UV radiation were stopped, the current flow also stopped. Okay. So ammeter will not show any current if UV radiation is not falling on that. UV radiation is not falling on that, on emitter plate. Okay. So that means because of light, current flow is there. If light is not there, no current flow. This is the idea you can get here. Now Lenard also gave some conclusion here. So what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Now conclusion, everyone listen. These observations indicate that when UV radiations fall on the emitter plate, electrons are ejected from it and which are attracted towards the positive collector plate A by the electric field. And the next one is the electrons flow through the evacuated glass tube resulting in the current flow. So due to light there is current. That is your third conclusion. Due to light, electrons are coming out of the metal and current is producing. Yes or no? So these three observations, remember, the first observation basically says when light falls on the emitter plate, electrons are ejected from it and attracted towards positive collector plate. I told here this is a cathode is there, okay, and here anode is there. So here when light falls on this cathode, then what will happen? Electrons coming out from the cathode will be getting attracted towards anode. Okay. So resulting the current. Okay. So this is what your photoelectric effect initially understood by Lenard and conclusion also given by Lenard. Similarly, we'll study about another observation. Okay. So first you complete here Lenard observation and conclusion. Note it down. Lenard observation and conclusion. Observation 2 points, conclusion 3 points. Okay, remember correctly. Very simple. Light falls on evacuated glass tube enclosing two electrodes. Current flows in the circuit, and as soon as UV radiation are stopped, current flow also stopped. As soon as UV radiation stops, that means light is not there, no current in that circuit. Okay. So you understood that because of light, current is there. Current is flowing. So that is what third conclusion is, light falling on the surface of emitter causes current in the external circuit. Okay. So understand carefully and write down. Note it down.